Well, today Rose-Hulman announced it raised $250 million to help increase student scholarships and build some new learning spaces. That money was raised through Rose-Hulman's mission-driven campaign. $127 million will go towards student scholarships and financial aid. $81 million is for the Fund for Rose-Hulman. $30 million will go toward new spaces to expand networking and learning. And $12 million will be used for faculty support and global and diversity initiatives. Rose-Hulman President Robert says the fundraising campaign has transformed the college's campus and prepared Rose-Hulman to meet the challenges of being a top STEM college focused on undergraduate education.